My people, now good morning or good afternoon, or good evening. Today, on 19th of May 2023, for today, I there for Cook Road. So I want to show now the new price of a water connector. I want to show now. So in front of me, now the Oga Pata be this. Maybe I want to talk to the Oga. So my name now Osapoye. So Oga, good evening.
Good evening. Now good morning. Now good afternoon. Now good evening.
And you will tell our viewers your name and the name of your shop and the price of water connector.
My name remains Mr. Obina, the water connector man. The water connector with the way they bid for sites where they do the water connector work. So my name of my company is Anna Choose Company Limited, situated at 28 Cook Road between Forestry Roads and Mission Roads. So that my warehouse be this one. So not be only so they do water collector. And they may not know the person shop where the materials dey. Make it give you various prices, make it see the materials when they use for your site, all the components, all the materials, so make it see them so that if you buy and you know say the material wetin they see, now you buy. So now be all these ones. So this one we get gutter. I might show you the gutter.
You go to show our viewers me this.
Okay. So might just pull one come out.
So you want Boston?
All just
they know say na real one. Carton. Now you for the brigand.
Now it's a carton. You see, so now the black gutter, and now when they put for the parapet, when they put for the roof, now be this one. And this one the parapet, now the gutter be this one.
So as you go to show our viewers, you go to tell the price. Oh.
Okay, I know. Okay, this one now the black gutter. The white one dey for this one. I will make I just put and come and make you see them well. You see. So that the gutter, that be this. This one a complete 4 meter. That be this. Complete 4 meter. That be this one. So this one now, the price for this one now 4,100 for one.
Okay, 4,100 for one.
Yes, for one for this now. 4,100. You know, sir, the mat white. Now you know this kind of one they can accommodate water for up. They get so we go see, you go slim for mats like this. That one go if you don't the water go they come out from the roof they contact. If you not get balance, you feel they vomit from the gutter. Now this one mat they very wide. I like to use this one for my client because the mat they very wide and they very long. You know go to know if you use them, you know go make it they buy extra material for the length. They get some one way they come from market. If they buy what gutter, they try to shake the length. Not by the price of the gutter. They get some way they sell now. Currently, I no lie you. Get some company. I don't want to call the company name now. They do 3.8, 3.9 for length. You understand? If they buy material, tell them say, check the length of the gutter. Check them. If you reach complete, but this one at 4.4 meter. Now be this. Because don't say all these short one where they come so. You go make you they buy. If they buy 18 gutter now, you go they buy 21. Call the short length of this one. So this one a complete 4 meter. You know go make you go they buy another material. This one at 4,100 for this one. And it's there for white. It's there for black.
Yes, sir. So it's there for white, it's there for black.
Yes, okay. So this one now, you call the pipe. Now the one where they bring the water come down.
Okay.
Now it be the madam. You see the mouth. You understand? This mouth is as you make and wide like this. Water go feel they pass well. You know they bend like small. Because now what thing they do to the weather of this country where they rain constantly. Now this kind of pipe will take good. Because if they see some pipe now will be say rant. That one if you water go they come with force now, you know see where go they feed all the burst from that funnel where they take the connector because water na force. This one dey for black, dey for white, and the same. And
they resist the water.
They resist the water well. That if they come at once, they come down.
It's alright.
This one now, they sell am the same price for 4,100.
Okay, the sell length with that one.
The sell length and 4 meter till they come.
It's alright.
4 meter till they come. This one now this one now if you serve the water well. This one so they carry water well. So it's there for white, it's there for black.
Okay.
So now maybe we go to the components, the component and everything. Okay,
it's
now.
Alright.
Yeah. This one now, at the gutter joiner. So at the gutter joiner. So now so they put am. Sharp.
Okay, now so now they clip and push.
Say clip am, We go first. Okay, back put now. We go use gum, We go use this gum. This gum wey dey see so.
Gently.
Okay. This one is PVC gum, eh? You go use, come put them, you go wrap them. As you don't wrap and finish, we will come put this one. Join them, eh? This one now.
Okay.
You come put and join them, eh? After we don't do and finish, eh? We will come screw them. Screw them. You don't get the people when they do this work, eh? Now just go put them, you don't put them, you don't go man, back. Go. Exactly. So our own, you know they do this one now. You go do like this, eh? You come screw them for the ear, screw them for this side. Then you can't use silicone gum where they here. We can wrap them. That be the final finishing for them.
Okay, make for now they leak.
They are all. Yes, that's so. Yeah, so you see another. You go use PVC gum, put that for the mouth, put them, gum away. Eh? You can use screw nail, screw them, make hold them. So you use silicone gum, say wrap them for the mouth here. You know, guy want to leak as they like that. You don't get eye want to leak. A lot of people now where they use ordinary PVC gum. Say put like this, they put time they do because they want rush come up for work. But we take our time, they do our work. Screw in and if you people concerning screwing, now the matter for the work.
So how much for this one when we take clip also?
This one now.
Gently.
Okay. This one now. 600 naira for this one.
Okay, 600.
And at the gota joiner, they call them gota joiner.
Okay.
We be like
Gota joiner.
We be like see. At the gota joiner be this one. So here on that component again.
They show our viewers.
This one and the pipe joiner.
Okay, pipe joiner.
Yeah, pipe joiner. Where they join two pipe together. Now they join two pipe. Maybe if now upstairs be the house, no say upstairs they consume two pipe. Like now, if now that house now one pipe they consume. This one now they consume because it's now upstairs. They will consume two pipe, and this one now they attach to the other pipe where they come. You understand? If you can't do like this, other pipe will come.
Okay, other pipe will come. Enter.
So enter. So as you do like this now, you go see use gum, wrap them. You understand? So put them like this. You can't screw them. You see, so then you can't put the other one again, wrap them again. Use silicone gum, say wrap and wear. You know, guy want to pull. Yes, and the case of people now where they say that they even they use screw set, they will just pull gum, pack. Screw nail is essential. Screw nail, silicone gum, and PVC gum are essential in this work. Without those things, this thing now concerning water, you need to take how they play. You have to say come where they construct road, they use concrete, they do screw. If you not use standard one for water, you go pull them. If you say guess you see some houses now will be say the funnel they put for house. That shows say they not use silicone gum and screw nail, only PVC gum they use. You understand? This thing they need 3 components. Without I no go function. So those are the pipe sockets and now 600 they sell them.
Okay, 600.
If they dey for white, if they for black.
It's alright.
Yes, sir.
It's alright.
Okay. So when they come down, this one are the funnel. I might just use black to describe and see the no see they for white, they for black.
They for white and they for black.
Yes, and this one are the funnel of the pipe. This funnel now, as we don't pull the gutter, you come cut some where water want they pass. Put it like this, You put like this, Then after we don't do a finish now, you see how you take clipper now. Yes. You come screw them here and here. You screw them here and here. You screw them here and here. You screw them finish now. After we don't put gum, as I did do before, we don't put gum. We go screw them here. They come use silicone gum. Say wrap this side, wrap this side. You understand? Now be the beauty. Anything where we dey connect for water collector, screw nail, silicone gum, and PVC gum must be there. No mistake.
How much for that one? Tell our price.
Okay, this one now 1,000 naira for this one.
Okay, 1,000 naira
for this
one.
We are per one 1,000 naira. If they come for white, they come for black. So this one are the hearts of the gutter, where they call hanger. You understand? Where they call hanger. This one now be the baba where they hold on for up. You understand? That they hold on for up. Without this one, when anything what they want to connect them, you go with even 6 months, you go sack. You understand? This hanger now 400 naira we dey sell them. And if they use them for this gutter, now 4 we dey use. Not be 3. You understand? They get some people, They get some people. They feel they use them, but they go use wire they tie them. You get now that wire you go see construct. You understand? Not be say okay you do use hanger the way you say you go use hanger for this work, go say go use hanger. You go okay go ahead go do work. You go carry wire because they don't sabi use them. They don't sabi use them. They go always say na wire take the tie for the way say wire take the tie like that. That wire, that hanger is useless without screw nail. Because say that wire like now I show you the screw nail. like this one, see the screw nail here. Why I try to explain. So now the screw nail, you start see long. See the screw nail now. That be the screw nail we dey use. You go screw am for up here. I don't want the man all those comments. Probably go no say this kind of thing now. People they watch my video here. So this one is the screw nail. Now the screw nail wey they use for this one, the screw nail. And they go buy one packet. You understand? They'll screw am for up here. They'll screw am for down here. Use fisher box. Screw am for use fisher box. Screw am for screw am. But that be the thing. That they hold am. Use as is not green. So you know, guy want to say poo. Like this thing. That be the highest for water collector. Go browse am. You that be the highest. This long screw nail and this hanger. That be the highest for this water. Without this thing, I'll give it to you. This one if you use and guarantee 20 years plus. If you use this hanger for this gutter, 20 years plus, go get back, breeze no go fit blow am. Better breeze no fit blow am. If better breeze blow gutter wey carry wire, you go see am. You go just pull. Go just bend am. This one na the baba. This long screw na we dey use. So
how much for that something?
This one na 400 naira. 400 naira. Why the nail? This one, the packet of this one, look am, 3 inches. This one na 5,000 naira.
Okay, 5,000
for this one. 5,000 naira for this one. 5,000 naira. You see, they call am this one. Now this one 5,000. You stick out on. I see they come. So see, this one na the clip. The pipe clip for the piping here. Now you clip am for the wall.
Okay, as you first talk, anytime when I come meet you for site, when you say 1, 2, 3.
Thank you. Yes, that be this one so. Small but mighty, now they see so. Small but mighty. Now 400 now they sell am. Now they hold the this thing for up. You understand? So now they hold am up. So this thing
for 400.
And 400 for one. So get some people now if now upstairs, they manage 3-3. So they manage 3-3, but we now 4. 2 up, 2 down. If now down house 2, now go dey down. You understand? You go make am dey very very solid. This one at 400 we dey sell one.
Alright.
So this one we dey call this one a stopper. They call am stopper. Now they put for this gutter. You see that? So maybe now house where we say you no do round, maybe you stop for this side, stop for this side. This one now they block am. Make the water
nothing go the other side.
Go the other side. Make it go the other side. So this one now as we dey put am so, no say this one now you go use put am this thing, put am gum. You come put silicone gum for this one. We come press am. We don't finish now. We come use silicone gum again. You come drill am for here. So no dey make mistake. That screw name must dey for this stopper. This one na 600 naira for one. 600 naira for one.
Other one see them when you show our viewers?
Yes, yes. The other one see there. So one on the outer ridge. The outer ridge, that ridge for house, all those ridge for house. Not be the gutter ridge. You don't say get gutter ridge. Okay, like this one now. This one now the gutter ridge. Now the gutter ridge. One now the gutter side. Now they put this one. So one on the outer for the gutter side. This one now the same thing they connect for inside gutter. They screw am. This one na 1,000 naira. This one na 1,000 naira. You see am? Yeah, they be brother and sister. If you see this one mouth now you know this one na outer. If you see this one mouth, this one mouth not straight. Now you know this one na inner. This one mouth straight for here. That's on the outer. So now 1,000 naira they say them.
Okay,
hold the black, hold the white. Yes, each 1,000 naira for each. And those things now the important thing for the work. If not there, that means that house no fit for sure. It must dey for house. Yes, sir. So the other one the silicone gum.
Okay, the silicone gum.
This one I dey make for my work. This name I dey work for my work. This might be the best. This gum. They said this gum 1,700 for one.
Okay, 1,700
for one silicone gum. No time. They use this gum. They use this one, and they use screw. Now be this. All of them.
Na kakaraka be that one.
Kakaraka, you understand? So you have to say lion jam lion for this work. 3 lion all day one place. They function the work for the house.
Exactly.
If this 3 not there, not the function. Okay. Not be function for the work. That will be the thing.
Okay.
So
my people.
Yes, sir.
Na kukuru that day the water connector man don't explain. As they explain for site if I go meet am. Let's see a plate now. So okay, you will call your number, your address again, make them locate you. Okay,
now my address number now number 28 Cook Road, between Forestry Road and Mission Road. That's my 28 Cook Road between Forestry Road and Mission Road. My telephone number now 070 69 78 65 09.
Come again.
070 69 78 6509.
Another number, then the Peter issue.
Yes, my number see David.
We Russia.
You understand? 080 33 88 4611. You can reach me on WhatsApp 247 anytime.
Okay, the two now WhatsApp.
WhatsApp number, 2 of them. And WhatsApp number, sir.
Okay. My people, I greet you now for time to watch this video.